Here we will see string in PHP. PHP string is a sequence of characters that is used to store and manipulate the text. PHP supports only 256 characters set, and so that it does not offer native Unicode support. There are 4 ways to specify a string literal in PHP: single quoted, double quoted, heterodox syntax and nudoc syntax. First we will see single quoted. We can create a string in PHP by enclosing the text in a single quote. It is the easiest way to specify the string in PHP. For specifying a literal single quote, escape it with a backslash, and to specify a literal backslash, use double backslash. All the other instances with backslash, such as /r or /n, will be the output same as they specified instead of having any special meaning. We can store multiple line text, special characters and escape sequence in a single quoted PHP string. This type of string does not process special characters inside a quote. For example, if we have defined a variable $site equal to welcome to learn PHP, and if we print echo $site, the output will be welcome to learn PHP. And if we define $site equal to learn PHP, and in echo statement we will write welcome to $site, the output will be welcome to $site. In this program, echo statement prints the variable name rather than printing the contents of the variable, because the single quote string in PHP do not process special characters. Hence, the string is unable to identify the $sign as the start of a variable name. Next is double quote string. We can specify string through enclosing text within the double quote also. But escape sequence and variables will be interpreted using double quote PHP string. For example, echo learn PHP /n. Or if we define a variable $site equal to learn PHP, and in echo statement we will print echo welcome to $site, the output will be, from this first statement it will print learn PHP, and from the second echo statement it will print welcome to learn PHP. Here we can see that the double quote string are processing the special characters according to their properties. The /n character is printed and is considered as a new line, and also instead of variable name $site, welcome to learn PHP is printed. Next is heterodox string. The syntax of heterodox is another way to delimit PHP strings. If we want to define multi-line string, use of heterodox syntax is the best and easiest technique. Using this methodology, we can create strings with more than one line without string concatenation. Also, there is no requirement of escaping double or single quotes if we use heterodox methodology to define a string. After this operator, an identifier is provided, then a new line. The string itself follows, and then the same identifier again is used to close the quotation. The closing identifier may be intended by space or tab, in which case the identification will be stripped from all lines in the doc string. The closing identifier must follow the same naming rules as any other label in PHP. It must contain only alphanumeric characters and underscores, and must start with a non-digit character or underscore. Heterodox syntax is similar to double quoted string without the quotes. To use heterodox syntax, I have defined here $str as a string, and I have used the heterodox syntax with EOT as an identifier. After identifier, on next line, I will write example of heterodox syntax. and for closing also I will use the same identifier. And if I print echo $str, the output will be example of Heredox syntax. Here EOT is just synonym for end of text, which means nothing. It is just as an identifier. These three characters are just to mark the start and end of the multi-line string. We can't use any white space or tab before and after the identifier and semicolon, which means identifier must not be indented. The identifier must begin from the new line. So $str EOT, example of Heredox syntax. And if I give some space before writing EOT, and if I print echo $str, it will give syntax error. That is, the identifier must not use any white space or tab. Next we will see Nudoc. Nudocs are single quoted string, whereas Heredox are double quoted string. A Nudoc is specified similarly to Heredox, but no passing is done inside a Nudoc. The construct is ideal for embedding PHP code or other large blocks of text without the need for escaping. A Nudoc is identified with the same sequence used for Heredox, but the identifier which follows is enclosed in single quote. All the rules for Heredox identifiers also apply to Nudoc identifiers, especially those regarding the appearance of the closing identifier. Here I have written the code for Nudoc identifier. I have defined a $str as a variable in which I have used EOT as a Nudoc identifier with single quote. Then I have written the example of Nudoc syntax, and lastly I have used EOT, and if I print echo $str, the output will be the example of Nudoc syntax. Here EOT is just synonym for end of text, which means nothing. These three characters are just to mark the start and end of the multi-line string.